Hello everyone, my name is Kopi, field site application engineer from Moxa. Today I will spend some time to introduce you the Moxa cybersecurity solution. Okay, so maybe one of your factory, we call it a site. Inside the factory, we will separate your equipment or your production line to different lawn. And each of lawn, inside that, you will have a lot of different equipment there. Okay, we just call it seal. No matter from the side or lawn or cell, actually we will provide a series of solutions for you to make sure you can have a secure environment for your application. So, for example, for the site, basically it will connect to the outside environment. Maybe it will connect to your control center. Okay, so in this area, we will have the VPN connection for you to build up a secure tunnel to do the data transmission from your site to your central. Okay, and also you may consider to have something like a DNZ zone application in this area. So for the zone, okay, which is inside your site, okay, actually you may consider to use something like the ACL feature to make sure only the right person can send out the data to the right place, which you prefer it can work. Okay, for the others, you can just deny the communication. For the cell, we were talking about the equipment itself. For example, the switch on the cell place. Okay, we can try to have the post security layer. So it means you can do the post security by several ways. For example, I can lock the MAC address. Okay, so for example, for the port 1 of the switch, I only allow one of the computer can use this port. So for the others, I will just stop it. Or you can consider to use the different way, like the radius server, to do the authentication as well. So for Moxa, we just provide a series of solutions for the post security. And the second thing we want to talk about the data integrity here. So for a lot of users, they will consider the data integrity, especially when the data is come from the important production machine. So in this situation, you may consider to use the most ample solution is a serial to Ethernet based converter. So for this one, we will just read the data from your serial devices. Maybe it's a meter, maybe it's a production line, or maybe it's a PLC. After that, we will use encryption to encrypt all the data and transfer to the endpoint. Okay, maybe it's your SCADA or your application, and then we will decrypt it to make sure in the middle all the data is encrypted, and you don't need to worry about the data will steal by other people. Okay, after you use the solution, there's another thing very important is about the management software. So Moxa just provide you a solution called MXView. You can use this network management software to monitor all the devices we mentioned, no matter it's an import serial to network device, or it's a switch, or it's a VPN firewall. All the Moxa device can be monitored by this software. And for this software, we just provide a very useful feature. We call it Security View. Okay, by using the Security View, you can check the security level for your device. There is an important standard from the industrial world. We call it 62443. Okay, basically all Moxa devices can comply with this standard. So you can see here, this is the software from Moxa, MXView we just mentioned. You can monitor your devices just by the visualization view here. And also for each device, you can just check the security level from the software. So you can see that, for example, for this device, it should be a switch. So it complies with some of the parameter for this standard. So you can easily to see all of your devices, what's the security level inside. If it's not suitable for your application, you can very easily to adjust this by using this software. Okay, so thank you very much. If you are interested in Moxa solution, please feel free to contact to our distributor in Singapore, TNS. He will provide you a better service and will let you know what's next. to do if you want to take a try. Thank you.